Good morning, listeners. How are you in your part of the world today? Is it freezing cold outside, snow on the ground? Maybe something else going on with the weather? In any event, I am looking at today's menu while I film this broadcast after watching a few episodes of Mary Berry's program on PBS. That would be public television. In that episode, she put together a pear pudding. I think she called it something else. Let's hear. Because I am finishing up an apple pie. I have pears. As a matter of fact, I grow pears. Here it is. Pear pastry pudding with butter, vanilla extract, double cream, and a toffee sauce. Well, I cannot wait to make that. So, on that note, wishing you the best in your part of the world. Thank you for listening.
"100 grams of butter and 175 grams of light muscovado sugar. 2 tablespoons of black treacle, every scrap going in. Add half a teaspoonful of vanilla extract and 400 ml of double cream. Now I'm going to stir that until all the butter has dissolved. At the moment it runs straight off the spoon, but we want it thicker than that so it will float on top of the pudding. Time's up. Let's get it out. Oh, it smells lovely. A few delicate pear slices on top, and we're ready for the luxurious toffee sauce. It's just beautifully silky. It does look good, doesn't it? Most tempting. This pudding is food for the soul. Just what I need to set me up for the next part of my journey.